Ekenekwa m Igbo niile Igbo ndị mana ege m ntị biko Bobble na nene video ya sị m udo dịla onye ọbụla udo dịla nwoke udo dịla nwaanyị biko na video nwa nchọrọ ime because achọrọ m ikwu eziokwu and nothing but the truth. Asị gịnị ka m kwube eziokwu and I've promised to say the truth and nothing but the truth. So kita aga na ntị. Enwe video na-efegharị kemgbe because I came across the video and I began to imagine so many things in my head. Nsi okay, patience pays a lot in this life. Once you begin to exercise patience, once you begin to have patience in life, I don't think you know where here I went on n'ụwa. O wee bụrụ gịnị? Video ahụ bụ gịnị? Video Akụzion. Yes, unu na-afụ the video na akụkụ ebe nka yiti the complete video. Unu welezia anya unu wee mee gịnị? Wee George nenechazie wele anya gị mee mana there are some facts I needed to bring out from this video mgbe nenecha this video. When nenecha video asị m okay, ka m gwa nke let me see what will be the outcome. Ejena m na wall Akụzion up to 50 times from yesterday evening as of 7 p.m. when I came across the video. Ejego m na wall Akụzion up to like 50 times ka m mara okay onwe video mail regarding it, onwere ihe okwu regarding this thing. But gịnị, to my greatest surprise, I did not see anything. So as time goes on, before the day breaks, imago so many thoughts na batam ni sunwesemba. Let me come out and say the truth. Then I decided to carry out my own personal investigation about this video, and I came out with some facts about this particular video. Fact, truth, and nothing but the truth that he needed to Igbo again. Because the Bible make I got again that you shall know the truth, and that truth you know shall set you free. Not that the one you don't know. You shall know the truth. But the one that will set you free. Because I know that the angel you know, the devil you know is better than the angel you did not know. Or at least once in a while you have come across this statement. So the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So now my first fact about this video is that Akụzion knows that he is being recorded. That is the fact. The number one fact about this video is that Akụzion in his own part knows that he is being recorded. Because in this video, the video, you know some things you need to pay attention. Remove your sentiment aside, remove hatred aside, remove the fact and dislike aside. This video with open mind. Open mind. That is why you see again, and it's been a while because I promised myself never to engage in some of these things online again. Because again, I have a bright future. I have a journey that I'm heading to. Before somebody now from nowhere may come and recruit me or recruit my followers into hitting somebody now wearing home. Because that is the worst thing that can happen to any man. If a mother a megi ne hit on you wearing home again. Onye na nwere ihe ome gị because na onye like onye ahụ you will decide also na man like onye ahụ onye mokwa na echi je geduna ministry testimony onwe testimony post na their site na their page ya no mgbe one man bịanye testimony o si na in the year for 6 years on afọ Dr. Paul Eneche na his dream the man na anoint ya na ekpele but one day he fed up with it wee welu phone o meche onwete phone Dr. Paul Eneche for 2 years ojikwa phone number Dr. Paul Eneche only one day ka na afia where he woke up one morning we tell there Dr. Paul Eneche message say oga I don't like you. None of God will reply your message we say na ngwa try ya ka efo. After much all said and done, the man prayed for him and everything. The man na chokwa nwa for how many years? The man came to church and gave testimony. Go and watch it. So don't to make somebody go mad na like your mother megi hate onye kwesi nyelega aka. Number 2 fact notice na that video, and we have to tell Akụzion the truth on this one. Now, ikuteria. Yes, obe eziokwu. Yes na ikuteria. because we have to first of all analyze ihe meji we kwere that okwu. Because na that video is na even if you would take anybody for granted, you will never take your man of God for granted, your spiritual father for granted, and I salute you for that. Oboro mmadụ niile yenwe that kind of courage. Oboro mmadụ niile yenwe that kind of mindset kuchishi ike, even in the midst of ndị na-kwetara n'ihe na-ekwu. You point out to your man of God, say no matter, even if n'isi ya ada nyada. The boldness of the life of Peter. Yes, eziokwu na-ekwutere ya. Ọka na agwa gị nke bụ eziokwu. Even mgbe Jizọs, mgbe Peter bele mmadụ ntị, Jizọs si ya gịnị mechi ya mma gị n'ọbọ, which means na Jesus corrected Peter. Jesus in his part gịnị corrected Peter. Say Peter, ogbu mma na-esi na mma na, ogbu egbe na-esi na mma na. Eziokwu na so many people may their video interpret. So many people, that video was flying like rakara. People refused to pay attention to some of the details in that video. But I also acknowledge the fact that you stand by your man of God. You stand by your man of God, because the Bible in Acts of the Apostles chapter 2, if you go from verse 1 to 3, the verse 3 part is again na King Herod saw that it has pleases the Jews, no obu James. He stretched up his hand and took Peter as well. Evangelist Bukubi needs to be protected. Zion ministry needs to be protected. Ndi Igbo have come to a place where we need to acknowledge the fact na onya bụ onye nke anyị. Onya bụ onye nke anyị. Maka ndị na-asị na gịnị me na akụzayo nọ na palace na-abala king mba, na-abala onye mba, na-abala everybody mba. Ọ na-aka voice ya dị. Inene the video, like I said, na nka yiti the video. Iya anu ihe ma o ji were raise voice ya. I'm not in a way defending akụzayo, because agwa m ya gwasị ya na n'ihe ime n'okwu ikwu na ya agba egbe n'ịchọ ka agba egbe agbaba egbe ikwutere no matter ihe ọbụla mmadụ mee gị. No matter ihe ọbụla mmadụ mee gị. Like I said, ọ bụrụ na ịbụ mmadụ na iwebere iwe wefee oke kwue ihe out of annoyance nke iji ebulu mmadụ, be the first to condemn this video. Amara m Zion, I don't know him. And I'm na-agwa gị ihe mfụ na video. Because don't allow the enemy of the church to come and capitalize over ihe na nwere isi. Because like I said, I carry out my own personal investigation. Then I came across comment Zion na a post of Akwoma TV. Yes, Akwoma TV from comment idea. Also, now this video happened a long time ago, that they have made peace. What else do you people really want? Also, this video has happened a long time ago, that they had made peace, which is the truth. They have made peace. Obunoya also na he make na peace. Let it be na he make na peace. Izuku that we have to be conscious of what we say, because nobody adoroma. Obodo gene adoroma. Like I said again, I repeat myself now. Obolo name iwebere iwe n'ụwa gị pụta ever since your existence, na iwebere iwe kwuo kwufe oke cross our boundary. Be the first to condemn this video. Be the first to condemn video. Akuzayon agwagi who had that he is not a born again. He is not a born again. But malan and onwembe video sena ebe obone for Matthias. Malan akuzayon no nakokodia. Whether in your business place, whether in your place of work, whether in your place of worship, every area of your life obona imana Matthias no. Malan akuzayon no dia. Makandi na say lo factory, say lo anka, say lo ankozo. I will chip in some things about that. Gwakenem factory. Gwakenem factory organization yewe mmadu n'olu over 2,000 people n'olu in a day without asking for their qualification. Most of you have not worked in an organization for 2 years. Manage the chol I ask any an experienced graduate, an experienced Guinea that have worked and have Guinea 4 to 5 years experience of working. Does that thing really need your life? That thing choli bugebu. Which means you go all for 5 years. Somewhere or more than 5 years. Now chokwalo ebozo a local with the experience of 5 years in a growing company. By the time we look out for that 5 years, look out for another 5 or 15 years, we've wasted working tirelessly for people to grow. I'm not saying you already know, man. Most times I work a weapon. I work a weapon. I say ibutalo esemoku. Then the most shocking fact about that video buna Akuzayon actually said something. Obuna manoria correctly, but from what I heard, also no young atakwele evangelist ebuku binante siana ona ministry na achibudi but why not try this location? Or another video, because most of you people did not pay attention to it. Most of you people did not pay attention to it. Also again, na that ministry na mgbe na meeting also ogwala onye isi si onye isi or not this location or ya had mma ka ebudaga ihe that place. If such man can have that kind of mindset, can have that kind of vision for his people, Imo State, if he can think towards that direction, he really meant well. He really meant well. Then God, I envy you people. Don't allow division. Don't allow the enemy of the church. Because a lot of development now a lot of development. Ndị powerful ministries na their location goes to where they are. From Monso to Evangelist Ebukuobi to Guinea, join the Lagos State, join the been around the TB Joshua Church. Join the Dr. Chris Okafor, join the Deeper Life, join the Redeem, join the Living Faith. If how those locations became a hot cake and think under the twinkle of an eye. Airport road here na Abuja. Airport road here. When immediately do not miss Batadi or Lobolo, go and check their real estate business. Go see a move now. Go and check their real estate business. Go see a move because okay do not miss me. 100 sitting capacity. Somebody another somewhere need deceive you. See you again at church and I empower people. Wakenem obodo ye nyemu company ye nyemu ndem mmadụ ọlụ ka isi eme n'Imo State. And know this also and know peace. Enwere ebe enwere land project na-aga on like this ka aghara inwe problem. Problem will always come and go. But don't allow the enemy of the church to capitalize on it. Because na gịnị me nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Evangelist Ebukuobi needs to be protected. He needs to be protected at all cost. You cannot say like Evangelist Ebukuobi solunde mother na agbawo over something an individual man. You cannot say it. Okamana is sometimes can be the cool one without thinking of who will get angry. Because this truth needs to be spoken at all cost. But pay attention to the videos. No. Things man. Because like I said, he knows he's being recorded. He knows he's being recorded. 1. Number 2, he knows that in Nageneme, na video he knows it. He doesn't take his man of God for granted. And he was the one, but because I stand to be corrected, I stand to be corrected. The 4th one, I think no young Atakwelo, evangelist and Tesiana, let us channel our attention to this direction. Ebogene, Imo State. So in the this video, like I said also, okay. Be the first to condemn this video. Condemning boys on the buy.
But I want to accept this thing because of my father. That can be stubborn. That gburu onye ọjọọ njọ ka agba egbe a ga-agbakọta egbe ebe ọsọ agba kọl ka a ga-eme and ndị anyị na onwe ya ma na m ga-emeli ya beti ọ makwa na ga m emeli ya because of him and ọ gaghị adị mma otu ochi trọst ọnụ a ga-enyere ha aka ha emebi na trọst kama ndị aka emebi na trọst ebe a pụọ and ha pụọ ọtọ butegiri job because ha nweghị message ha ji awụ clear. I don't know if you're getting my point. Yes. Because half ọrụ ha na gị n'ụlọ onye eze without them sign ya na kaka ni half portion of the bank. Onye ahụ sa abakwara dị a ụmụ hụ ya were na-ekukwu oyi isi nye ama kamera ahụ na-ese ndị nna iwu because they have been the one creating mayhem on that place. Onye ahụ sa abakwara dị ya abakwara dị ya mmadụ agba n'ụkwụrụ ahụ food again there because automatically they have been the one
causing the problem
who is countering every agreement I and father have made there earlier. This is what I'm saying. This is not be down. You can't be going again where you were. But let it be that they have been the one yesterday. Case like Radon Maka, Sima, also go to the color of Tiabico. By any day, even by nobody here. Marco Alafalaka Papia meeting. I don't put it in my way. I don't know do the other. Ya Don Maka. That's a man to go to the color of Usuga. I'll get a Koyo Polo, I am for it. Koyo Polo, I'll get a Yako Bako Marco Chipisa. Immediately, joy I went to one of them, say, you know, I ain't because have you also my joy there. I wish I would 3 months or 1 hour. Come to room this room for 2 weeks. Property to your mother people. I cannot, if I take anybody for granted, I cannot take this man here for granted. This man could have killed him last time every now. Good condition here. I put your baby. I always open. It's true. Yeah, put this condition. Because at that point, I made that request. I made that now. Where is he? I said, I'm walking second door. My data career. I see only the one other man inside. Only the one he stood up. He didn't even say no. He stood up immediately and followed me. Because. Yeah, I give me a man. Half of the job, that toilet is really beautiful. Mother I don't want to do also. There's no problem. Done now. Let the work continue.
No.